Are you ready to unleash the power of captivating video intros? Let's dive in and create unforgettable openers for your videos using Adobe After Effects. Start by opening After Effects and creating a new composition. Adjust your settings to match your video's resolution. For example, pick 1920 by 1080 for HD. Set the duration as 10 seconds and name it. Click OK. Grab the text tool and click your composition to create a text layer. Then type your title or message. Choose fonts, sizes, and colors that reflect your brand. Embrace your style and make it stand out. Now, let's add some magic. In Effects and Presets, search for animation presets like fade up words or scale up words. Drag the preset onto your text layer for instant animation. Adjust timing with keyframes on the timeline to control effects. It's time to kick things up a notch. Explore the vast library of visual effects in the Effects and Presets panel to level up your intro. Consider effects such as glow, blur, and color correction. Play with various combinations until you achieve the perfect look. Next, import your logo by going to File, Import. Position the logo using transform options. The center alignment is a good starting point. Now, for the finishing touch, add music. Import your audio file and drag it onto the timeline. Adjust the volume to set the perfect mood. And there you have it, a visually compelling video intro tailored for your content. Be sure to experiment with text animations, effects, and music mastering. After Effects enables you to create memorable first impressions. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more helpful tips. Goodbye.